Hello, my name's Anthony Aluotto, owner of Aluotto Home Services, and I'm here today to talk about KBRS hardcore shower installations. The thing I like best is ease of installation. It's a lot quicker than conventional shower systems that you would put in, and it's a great company, and the guys are great, and good customer support also, and overall, it's just it's a good thing. Actually, I did some work for Tony's wife, Jessica. I did a bunch of work for them, and come to find out, we started talking, and that's when he said that he does these shower installations. So that's how I met them. So. Price point's compatible. All your money is in your shower pan, and it's cost effective. And I think in the long run, it'll save you money because it's less installation time. So that's the best thing about it.